The first time you marry for love, the second for money, and the third for companionship. Jackie Kennedy. He who loses money, loses much. He who loses a friend, loses much more. He who loses faith, loses all. Eleanor Roosevelt. You have to go broke 3 times, to learn how to make a living. Casey Stengel. Never spend your money before you have earned it. Thomas Jefferson. Every day is a bank account, and time is our currency. No one is rich, no one is poor, we've got 24 hours each. Christopher Rice. Formal education will make you a living, self-education will make you a fortune. Jim Rohn. Rule number 1, never lose money. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. Warren Buffett. Empty pockets never held anyone back. Only empty heads and empty hearts can do that. Norman Vincent Peale. Money is a terrible master, but an excellent servant. P.T. Barnum. Every time you borrow money, you're robbing your future self. Nathan W. Morris. No wealth can ever make a bad man at peace with himself. Plato. Recession is when a neighbor loses his job. Depression is when you lose yours. Ronald Reagan. If women didn't exist, all the money in the world would have no meaning. Aristotle. Never confuse the size of your paycheck with the size of your talent. Marlon Brando. Time is more value than money. You can get more money, but you cannot get more time. Jim Rohn. Work like you don't need the money. Love like you've never been hurt. Dance like nobody's watching. Satchel Paige. A successful man is one who makes more money than his wife can spend. A successful woman is one who can find such a man. Lana Turner. No wealth is more useful than intelligence and wisdom. Imam Ali. Knowledge is better than wealth, because it protects you, while you have to guard wealth. Imam Ali. Wealth and greed are the roots of all evils. Imam Ali. If you want money more than anything, you will be bought and sold your whole life. Rumi. Making money is easy. It is. The difficult thing in life is not making it, it's keeping it. John McAfee. There are 2 kinds of people, those who seek but cannot find, and those who found but still want more. Imam Ali. I can make more generals, but horses cost money. Abraham Lincoln. There are 3 faithful friends, an old wife, an old dog, and ready money. Benjamin Franklin. While money can't buy happiness, it certainly lets you choose your own form of misery. Groucho Marx. The hardest thing in the world to understand is the income tax. Albert Einstein. Too many people spend money they haven't earned, to buy things they don't want, to impress people that they don't like. Will Rogers. Man continues to age, but two things remain ever young in him: love of wealth, and love of life. Prophet Muhammad. A penny saved is a penny earned. Benjamin Franklin. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.